Hey everyone, Kaylee, your friendly neighborhood hairstylist here, and today we're doing some heatless hairstyles on short and long hair. I think I pretty much always have requests to do more heatless hairstyles, and I know that I need to push myself out of my box and do that more. So we're doing it today on my hair and my sister's hair so that you have kind of a visual on both shorter and longer hair. And I am gonna throw in a couple extra little things that you can do if your hair is super long and you're really dealing with some kind of crazy texture moments. I designed all these to be really easy so that you could throw together so that it's not like a whole extra thing in your day. So if you're excited for some heatless hairstyles, don't forget to hit that like button to help support my channel. And if you're new here, you can hit that subscribe button to join the Braidaholic family here on Kayley and Melissa. But that being said, let's learn some new hairstyles. Okay, here we go. This is my natural hair texture. It's obviously very straight. I hardly ever use it in my videos, but all these hairstyles are meant to work on heatless hair, so whatever your natural hair texture is. So let's get started. First things first, split your hair in half and clip one half out of the way. And now I'm going to Dutch braid my hair back, starting right here up here at my hairline and kind of creating this semicircle around till it hits the nape of my neck. You could also do a French braid here. That would be really pretty, and if that's easier for you, go for it. And once you reach the nape of the neck, go ahead and secure your place with an elastic. I feel like I have a lot of hair in this pigtail still. Look at me. It would still be cute if you had just like a little nubbin tail too. I think that would be super cute. And now if you want, you can go ahead and pull this apart and loosen up some hair around your hairline. All right, it's looking good. We've got some little bumpies to fix, which I think we should do on camera.
Oh God.
So you did a great job. These little hairs, they just happen when you braid. So the best way to fix if you have like a little bumpy like this, and I think I've showed this with my braids before because this happens to me, you're just gonna put a bobby pin through the bump, and then you can put this wherever you want it to go from there. Usually the easiest thing is to take it on the outside of the braid and then pin underneath the braid, and it's gone. Same thing over here. I think what might have happened is maybe Laura just grabbed a little bit of extra hair right here. So we're just gonna put the bobby pin through that bit, take it around back, and pin it down. You did it! Woohoo! Now repeat the same thing on the other side. So now here we are with these braided pigtails, which are not the worst thing to be honest, but I want to finish this hairstyle out. So I'm going to take another set of clear elastics and I'm going to put them around the base of the ponytail and then leave the hair looped on the last rotation. And on the short hair, it's definitely going to be like little nubbins, which I think is cute. I love that in a hairstyle. So I'm going to leave that there. And if you want to cover any ends, you can tuck and pin them. Then for the longer hair version, you're gonna have some extra ends. So as I love to do with the chignon, you can wrap the ends around the base and pin them in place and it will look great. Conversely, if you're not so much into the chignon, you can always do whatever bun you love. All right, you did pretty good. I'm gonna jump in and help. I'm going to pivot this loop around, and then the way that this ended up getting wrapped, it's like a little high, so I'm just gonna like loosen that up a little bit. And then we just, you know, finish pinning the ends. Really, it was not bad. You did great. Yay! Ah, I love it! Another thing that might help you because you have so much hair is like if you want to stop and pin it after you wrap it around once and then, you know, do the rest.
Oh.
Yeah, that might help. And there's the hairstyle. It's a really simple concept, but I just think it's so cute. I love it with a day dress. I love it with athleisure. Anytime, anywhere is a good hairstyle. And now let's move on to a little bun hairstyle. We're gonna do a short hair version and then an additional long hair version for this one. So either way, you're gonna start with pulling your hair half up, however much you want for that half up, and secure it with an elastic. And now with the resulting ponytail, we're gonna create a little braided bun. So first, you're gonna braid the ponytail. And now at the end, I'm going to secure this with an elastic loosely. So you're not gonna go as tight as you can, just kind of stop one rotation early. And now we're gonna scrunch the braid up. So you're gonna grab a little bit of hair at the end, grab the elastic and slide the elastic up the hair. And then you're gonna pull this apart and make it extra bubbly. Now you can do this without the elastic. I just find it's much easier because now you can use both hands to texturize the braid. And then once you have a nice bubbly braid going on, you can wrap it into a bun and pin it in place. And then once everything's pinned, you'll probably want to loosen it up again just to make sure everything's where you want it. And once you're done with that, that is it for the first version of this bun hairstyle. So for the optional long hair version, that first bun is gonna sit just a little bit further back. You don't want it in full top knot position, or else the whole balance is gonna be a little off. And then all you have to do to add on to this is do the same thing again just underneath the first bun. So you're gonna pull all the rest of your hair together into an elastic, braid it, elastic it, scrunch it, bun it. And that's it. If you don't want it to look like double buns, you can also try to cross pieces over a little bit and pin the two buns closer together. That way it looks like one kind of updo instead of just two separate buns on your head. And there you go, those are both versions. I love it both with one or two buns. It really just comes down to like, do you want to go half up, half down? Is the rest of your hair maybe not the best texture right now and you want to hide it all, or you just want everything up? Either way, it's a good hairstyle, and I hope you guys try this out. And now for our last hairstyle, we're gonna do a little basic braid and then one way to add on to it if you want. So first things first, I think this one's gonna look good with the side part. I wouldn't go super deep with the side part just to keep it a little bit more modern, just about right here. And then on the shallow side, you're gonna start doing a Dutch braid back. The most important thing here is that you're taking very small sections. If you take large sections, you're only gonna end up with like 3 or 4 links over your ear and it might not look as cute. So little tiny sections, take a little bit of extra time. Once you've got all the hair over your ear into this braid, you're gonna braid the rest normally and then secure it with an elastic. And now I'm gonna go through and pull this apart to let it breathe a little bit. I'm not trying to make the braid super duper big, just wanna loosen it up a little bit. Finally, I'm gonna tuck the braid behind my ear and use a bobby pin to hold that in place. Then just kind of fluff the rest of this side out and you're done. And that's the first version of this hairstyle. I feel like this is kind of a throwback for me and I love it. And now you're gonna make another braid. So you're gonna take a section at the nape of your neck, braid that all the way down and secure it with a hair elastic. Then you're gonna make a ponytail with the first braid and the rest of your hair, leaving out that little nape of the neck braid. And you're going to keep that looped on the last rotation to make a chignon. Then you're gonna wrap the ends around the base and pin those in place, and finish off the hairstyle by wrapping the braid around the base and pinning that in place. Whether you're doing just the braid or you're adding the bun in, it's a really quick, easy thing that you can do. Just kind of dresses up the hairstyle and will look good on whatever hair texture you have. And that's it for our heatless hairstyles today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments how you feel we're doing with this whole short and long hair thing. I want to keep workshopping it. I want to keep making it perfect. So I want to hear your thoughts. I had a really great time with these hairstyles though. They are going in my rotation. I'm going to be wearing them. They are A+ in my book. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that like button to help support my channel. If you're new here, you can hit the subscribe button to join the Braidaholic family here on Kayley and Melissa. And all of y'all can hit that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. But that's it for today. Whether you are old or new or a casual lurker, thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye! Read you begin with A, B, C. Marie. Nope. Work, work, work. Instead of just 2 balls. She's a professional. Oh, I feel like a cool girl. You are a cool girl.